Hi, welcome again. Let's suppose today that we are a teacher and we want to give this homework to our children, so they have to find all the corrections in this text. But we want to personalize this document uh, depending on the children and the time they have to finish their homework. So in this document we have the homework, in the other we have the children and the time they have to finish. Okay, so here we want dear Joe, please solve this until this time, okay, this date. So let's replace first in with small letters. Okay. So we have this database and we have three steps. So the first one, we need to connect this document to the other document. So file, wizard, address data source. After that, we insert here the time, the date, and after that we print. Okay, so let's see all these three steps. So let's begin. File, wizard, address data source, other external data source. Let's close this document. Next, setting. Let's choose spreadsheet. Next, the address where we find the document. Okay, so this is. Let's test the connection. It's okay. Finish. Next, and here let's rename children. Okay, finish. Now this document is connected to the other document with children. Now let's go to view data sources. Okay, here we have children, and this is a sheet we saw before. Now let's drag and drop down there this name. We want the name to be here. Okay, sorry, I deleted that. We need an enter space here and space here, and here we want when we want the children to finish their homework. Let's drag here. Okay, it's perfect. We've done the second step. The last one is printing the documents in order to send them. Print, file print, and here we choose yes. We want from that spreadsheet, we want all, and we want in a file, and want individual documents based by children name. Let's see, we want here in video and in ODF format. Everything is done. Very easy. 5 seconds and everything is finished. Now we have, for example, all these documents for all the children in our class. So for example, let's open one. Let's open Victor. We have this document. Let's see. So dear Victor, okay, you see here, dear Victor, please solve this homework due in 27th June. So this is very easy, personalized for all the children in the class. So let's see if it's true. Okay, it's very true what we said. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the other video. Thank you.